Whenever there are difficulties,
there are us.
we're guardians of the sea.
We're everywhere.
Ta-da! Sharks help team transform!
Set off.
Oh, the alarm goes off! Someone needs help! Connected successfully! Hello, this is Sharks Help Team! I can't stand on the floating ice anymore! Please help me! We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action! Let me see. We need the rescue expert for this action.
Daddy Shark starts to transform. Set off, Daddy Shark, the rescue expert!
Help! I can't hold on! Oh!
Hang in there. Let me take you home. Slide up to let me jump. Slide down to let me dodge.
You bumped into me! Tweet, 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 tweet!
Sorry.
Thank you, Sharks Help Team! Ah, it stinks!
What's going on? Wait! We can ask Clever Little Shark. Baby Shark, things look bad.
Got it! Snow Bay has been polluted by the trash! I can solve it! Baby Shark starts to transform! Set off, Baby Shark, the witty little warrior! Snow Bay has become a waste dump. The polar bears can't live there anymore. Let's clean up the bay. Mission complete. A Medal of Honor has been obtained.
Yeah!